Hello driving intelligence community. I thought I'd do a quick video about a problem I'm seeing that is a common thread among various manufacturers and various models of cars. And that has to do with the evaporative control system. The common thread that I'm seeing with these systems is the failure of the EVAP control solenoid. And this solenoid is what's used by the computer to recover gas fumes that have been collected by the charcoal canister, bring them to the engine and combust them, primarily for the purposes of the environment, but also for the purposes of improving fuel economy, retaining fuel in a closed system. In this particular episode, I'm going to go through a finding on a 2008 Pontiac G8 with the Ecotec engine, and following this little introduction, I'll show you some photos and give you some context on what's going on with this vehicle. This is the EVAP control solenoid from the Pontiac G8. You have flow coming from the canister through this port and exiting from the canister and going into the intake for burning from this port. This is the electrical connector that goes to the computer and gives indication of whether or not the solenoid is working properly, but also is controlled by the computer to open the solenoid and recover gas fumes from the charcoal canister. This vehicle had two codes that I'll provide in the description. The first code indicating that there was a failure with the solenoid, and the second code indicating that there was a lean condition on the engine. Typical of what you'll find with many codes being shown is that one code leads to additional trouble codes, and by putting them together you can pretty much chase your problem down. But this particular vehicle, by replacing this solenoid, the new solenoid is now in the vehicle, it eliminated the vacuum leak caused by a permanently open solenoid, and therefore eliminated two codes, not just the code associated with the failure of the solenoid. I did two tests on this vehicle. The first was a smoke test to see if there were any vacuum leaks that would give an indication for the lean code. And then the second one was to actually pull this solenoid and apply vacuum on both sides of the solenoid. And what I found was that it was permanently open. The thing would not seal close, providing the vacuum leak, and therefore not closing and providing proper operation.